Good morning. I thought I would show you a little bit about our day today. We are currently at school.
My little rabbits.
I'm filming with a GoPro today, so I'll see how it will work. First I have to say I love Gracie's little bun what I made her, and I love my... Sorry. my messy bun, or what it calls too. And yeah, Alex's book is, he got it from a friend from our church in Manitoba, and he should actually do this today. But he has a bit of a problem that he thinks he cannot do. He will always say, look, it's just like, it's not beautiful and I cannot do it. And I really practice him saying that. Well, Alex, what do you have to say? No, what did mommy say? What you have to say? I can do it. Just what Gracie said. Yeah, you can do it. Don't give up on yourself. You're only 3 years. I love this book. I think it's a great starter. And since we got it as a present, I thought...
I never had the squeaky dick.
We should just start it now. And Gracie is doing homeschooling. He just doesn't believe in himself very much. So I have to work on that one. Yeah, and Gracie is... had to write a story the last 3 days. And today she has to draw a picture about her story. This is from Peter the Rabbit.
And I just need to write Benjamin.
Benjamin? Okay.
And here's Lily. Mama, I don't know what to do this word.
It's a fly. You have to, the F. Well, that one you have to do later. Today you have to do the straps what I told you. And I'm enjoying my mate while being a teacher. And also I just brought Michelle to sleep. I don't know if she's sleeping yet, but she's quiet. That's good. And today we, in our apartment where we live, they want to test the fire alarm if it will work. And it's a little bit, what would I say? I don't like it that they say it will be between 10 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Between that, sometime it will, the fire alarm will go on. So no, we have to just be ready any minute that it can go on. It's already 11 o'clock. And yeah, but I would love to know exactly when it will go on. But yeah, they gave us, had a note on our door that then someone between that, the fire alarm will go on. But yeah, otherwise I don't have any big plans today other than homeschool and maybe clean up a little bit. I did yesterday, I washed all our laundry and I washed the floors and...
We still did not hang out a like surprise.
Yeah, she loves it and mommy has a surprise every day for her school. Like some crafts. What did we do yesterday?
We did like we had to taste like we had to put something around our eyes and then eat something what it tastes like and then we had to say it. But we don't have to say it yet.
It was peanut butter and
lemons and oranges and
bananas.
But
and then you had to say if it's salty or sweet or...
But I don't want the bananas because they're black pink.
Yeah, you're a little bit picky, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, we will now do... How's it going so far?
There is no doing part. Oh, yeah.
Let's do it again, Alex. So where are you now? Did you do all of these up already?
Yeah.
Now go sideways.
No, I didn't.
Okay, now do. Start here by the orange
No,
dot.
I didn't yet.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This one and this one. Now you do this one.
Okay, now explaining it.
Okay.
I know how this is. Like, you have to go wherever the numbers go like that.
Yeah, but that is not for today.
I know.
Start by the pink dot. This one you did already. This one too. This one you have to do another one. Okay.
That is not.
Good job. That's my boy. See, now you're not even going on over the line anymore. There you go. Do again. Start by the pink dot and then go up. Good job, Alex. Are you proud of yourself?
Great. Go by school. I want to see how you're doing.
That's very good. And then we go sideways down. Oh, I'm so glad that you have this book and can practice it.
Don't
It's
step on
perfect.
that pencil.
I won't. And Gracie, you have to say, you have two, let's do with these. We need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. So you have 5, but 2 are here. So in order to get, how many are left over by the other side?
3.
Yeah, and 2 and 3 gives?
5.
So which number do you put in there now? No, that's 2 and 5 gives 5. You must do the number.
0.
No.
3.
I have to explain. I have to think about some different way how to explain it to you.
2. Because.
So our school is the end now, and it's lunchtime. Grace and Alex are hungry. Mommy is very hungry as well. Michelle is still sleeping, and I think our school was not longer than probably 1/2 hour maybe. It's very easy. I'm very pleased with how it went, and I am planning on making a video about homeschool day. But first I have ideas in my head what I want to do. Still, I ordered some more books for Grace, and I'm just I feel like I went a little bit unprepared, or yeah, I had the main things I had, like her books, what she needs, but I'm starting to have more and more ideas what I could do, and I love it. So I will try to do more things with her, but so far I think we all are we love it. And yeah, what I also want to say is I don't know how this will film. I'm filming the first time with a GoPro, and I think it maybe look like large or
Why is it not
wide
on?
because it's saving batteries. And but I'll see later how it looks. But yeah, I think we'll go eat lunch now.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Really hungry. Me too.
Well, look who finally woke up. Yeah.
Come on, yellow.
How do we manage it that you sleep lately? Every day, just till mommy wants to go sleep. When I want to have my nap time, your nap time just finished. You wanna have the camera? Oh no, is that a little toy for you, huh? To mommy Oopa? Oopa. Ooh. Yeah, now is your lunchtime. Let's go eat. Now, right? Now. Of course. Should we say amen? Amen. Again, rice. Every day. No, I promise you, this is our last rice. No, I did not yet. I first want to feed Michelle.
You must not sleep.
Why not?
I don't like it when you sleep. We'll be all alone there.
You're not alone. I'm just in that room. Oh, no, it's enough, right? You want the yogurt instead? You want the yogurt instead? I told her yesterday that she would probably think that we had rice every time. We had yesterday for lunch rice, for supper rice, and now for lunch again rice. But such a little cutie, doesn't matter to you, right? You just eat whatever you get because you love to eat. What are the kids doing now?
I'm playing superhero.
It's very bright there already because we still, sorry, where's my hand? We do not have a curtain to that window or to that door yet. And that's why it's very bright.
But we have a curtain in our mom and dad's room.
Yeah, and in your room.
Yeah. Yeah.
We just need one for that door there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll just finish eating. Say bye-bye. Okay, it is almost 4 o'clock now, and the company just told me that they would make the fire alarm on right away, so I'm very happy that they actually told me. And it was just lucky me because my kids were playing outside and I saw the company's pickup coming here and they said that they would make it on right away. So now we're just waiting for a loud sound. I have no idea how it will sound like, but there you are. Was it fun playing outside?
Yeah. And I want to eat snacks.
Gracie is still outside. I hope she will. I'm just not very comfortable with my kids outside here in the city. I'm used to them playing on a big yard, and now they're just where everybody is driving. Now let's make it on, make it on, make it on.
Mom, I want to eat snacks.
Now, fire alarm. It's not even loud. I thought it would be much louder.
What's that? What is it from?
You just make it on. It's an alarm. It's not really on. It's not really fire, I mean. Okay, I have it. I know now how it sounds, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but let's open the door so Gracie can hear it too. Listen, this is the fire alarm.
Oh, I just want to ask.
It's very quiet.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not even maybe loud. It just sounds like a bell ringing. You want to come inside now? She did actually not want to. She did actually not want to come inside because of the fire alarm. She thought it would be so loud. I thought it too, but great. Now we know how it sounds. Yeah, Gracie's coming inside now. I think she can open the door by herself, or can she not? Oh no, she cannot. Michelle, no. Okay, close the door.